Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Made by Yuma. In today's video we are going to see a small crochet earring. So for that we would need two different colors of anchor thread, size number 8. I'm taking blue and navy blue, and I'm taking a crochet hook of size 1 mm. So you can use anywhere between 0.5 to 1 mm crochet hook. We would need the earring hooks and the loops, and we would also need a scissors. So we would need some glue towards the end of this project. So let's get started. Take the tail end of the sky blue yarn and make a magic ring. So now let's make chain 1 and then chain 2, then chain 3, then make a triple crochet. For triple crochet, yarn over twice, insert into the magic circle, grab the yarn, then yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Repeat this for 3 times. So this forms a triple crochet. I'm gonna do it 2 more times here. This is our second triple crochet. And let's do the third triple crochet. So then continue to make chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the magic circle. So we just formed one petal here. I'm going to show you how to make another petal in a similar way. So start making chain 3 and then 3 triple crochet followed by 3 chain and then a slip stitch. So this is the pattern we're going to follow to make 6 petals in total. So friends, we just made 6 petals, and let's pull the tail end of the magic circle to shrink the center as much as possible. So now let's cut the working yarn by pulling the yarn to about 1 or 2 inches, and then we can cut it. Now we can apply some starch at the back side of the flower we just made. So you can either apply starch or a glue as well. So the glue needs to be little diluted, and you can apply it at the back side of the flower and set it aside for drying. So in the meantime, we can make the tassel to be tied up to this flower. I'm just giving some shape to the flower by pressing on the front side using the needle, the bottom of the crochet hook. You can press it against each of the flower petal. So now we can cut the excess yarn and keep it aside for drying. So for making the tassel, take the tail end and bring it around your index and middle finger for about 12 times, and then you can cut the thread. Now let's take the thread of about the same size. It has to be like of the same size of the tassel, and then tie it on one side of the tassel. You can just follow the video. So So now let's take the earring loop and insert on the side where we tied the knot, and then bring the flower which we loop and the hook on the top of the flower, and that's it. Our beautiful earring is complete. So in a similar fashion, make the earring as well. And if you want add more beauty to the earring, you can add some bead using a glue. You can attach a bead at the center of the flower. And that's it, friends. I hope you liked this tutorial and found this as an interesting one. So please share it with your friends and family, and thank you for watching. I'll meet you in another interesting video. Bye bye.